Hey guys, it's oJaiiLBreaKz here with a cool effect, kind of sound effect, not really sound effect, but so first we're gonna put away the sound, the music. So first it stops at the last kill and then it goes to a different clip, and the first kill on that, the music will start up again. So first you want to find the last kill on your first clip and put a marker, as I did. And then go to your second clip and put a marker on the first kill. Now you want to find kind of a boom in your sound. Not really a boom, but like pops out. And you want to stretch it out. Now where the marker is, you want to split it right there. And go up here and split it. And once you've done that, go to a new audio track and put it down. And you can split it in the middle maybe. And make a new audio track. And put it on that one. On the first one, put it down to around, if I just listen to this, hold on. Yeah, so around maybe not 14. I'll try, yeah, 14 sounds good. So go to -14. There we go. And on one, you can put it to the right around 25%, and one you can put it to the left 25%. Now I'm just gonna listen. Now I can't really render this out because the hold on. Yeah, the recording system I'm using is Jing. It doesn't record sound from your computer. If you want to watch it, the link will be in the description, and you guys can look at it and see what it looks like. Sorry guys, you can't watch it, but it's on my other channel, so that's good. So remember to subscribe or comment and leave a comment on my channel too. So, bye.